Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard using egg. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Make sure you have a saucepan, a whisk, and a fine mesh sieve on hand for the cooking process. These tools are essential for achieving a smooth, delicious custard. Now, let's temper those eggs properly. Begin by heating your milk and half of the sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it's just simmering, not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy. This step is crucial for a smooth custard. Gradually pour the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent the eggs from scrambling. It's time to cook your custard to perfection. Pour the tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon. This continuous stirring prevents scorching and ensures even cooking. Continue cooking until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, reaching an internal temperature of approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not let it boil. Almost there, strain your freshly cooked custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This removes any small bits of cooked egg, ensuring a silky smooth texture. Now, stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the pinch of salt. Cover the custard with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Chill for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, before serving. It's perfect on its own or with fresh fruit. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.